Each sentence in this video will be repeated 3 times to help you improve your listening and speaking skills. First, listen carefully and focus on understanding the meaning. Second, listen again and repeat the sentence aloud, this time without seeing the translation. Third, repeat the sentence twice, now with the translation visible to reinforce both meaning and pronunciation. Do your best to match the native speaker's pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation. Let your voice follow their natural flow. Prices depend on supply and demand.
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 One rotten apple spoils the barrel.
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 Please say the alphabet in reverse.
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 Please don't touch the merchandise.
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 Please shuffle the cards carefully.
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 Please explain the situation to me.
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 Please forgive me for lying to you.
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 Please help yourself to some fruit.
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 Please move to the rear of the bus.
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 Please show me how I have to do it.
Please show me how I have to do it.
Please show me how I have to do it.
Please show me how I have to do it.
Please leave my things as they are.
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 Please hang your clothes over here.
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 Please fill this bucket with water.
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 Please eat it while it's still hot.
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 Please don't put that on the table.
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 Please deposit the money in a bank.
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 Please answer this question for me.
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 Please accept my heartfelt apology.
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 Please bring us 2 cups of coffee.
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 Please don't make me go back there.
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 Promise me you won't do that again.
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 Please turn up the AC a little bit.
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 Please tell me where you will live.
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 Please use the bathroom downstairs.
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 Potatoes grow well in this country.
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 Nowadays, no one believes in ghosts.
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 Nothing's working out for me today.
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 Nothing seems to grow in this soil.
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 Nowadays, many people travel by car.
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 Old people need someone to talk to.
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 Our financial problems are serious.
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 Our daughter isn't a child anymore.
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 Our baby will be born someday soon.
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 One stayed and the other went away.
One stayed, and the other went away.
One stayed and the other went away.
One stayed, and the other went away.
One of the piano strings is broken.
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 One of the fan blades is defective.
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 Oranges contain a lot of vitamin C.
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 Our country's climate is temperate.
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 Our fate depends on your decisions.
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 Our galaxy is called the Milky Way.
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 Playing in the street is dangerous.
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 Perhaps the book will prove useful.
Perhaps the book will prove useful.
Perhaps the book will prove useful.
Perhaps the book will prove useful.